Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our first ever assembly online. Wherever you are watching this and whenever you're watching this, I hope that you're well, I hope that you're safe, and I hope that you're okay. So this month, our value of the month is honesty. Now, I think honesty is one of the hardest ones that we can do because every single day, more or less, we are challenged in certain times about whether we are going to be honest or whether we're not going to be honest. Sometimes that's really tough. I'm sure if you were all in the assembly hall and I said something I would normally do, so close your eyes and put your hand up if you've ever told a lie. There we are, straight away. There's an opportunity to think, am I going to be honest or am I not? I'm sure we've all told lies in the past. So honesty is such a challenging one to have to do day in, day out, regularly, well. So to help us think about that, I'm going to share a story on the screen. I would normally obviously use the big screen in the hall, but today, hopefully, I'm going to be able to share the screen on my computer. And it's a story that I think you probably know. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it will work. Right, so this is a story called The Boy Who Cried Wolf. And let's see how it starts. Back we go. There was once a boy who looked after sheep near a village. The boy was often bored, so one day he decided to play a trick on the villagers to amuse himself. Wolf, wolf, he cried at the top of his voice. The villagers came rushing up to the hill to save the sheep. But when they got there, there was no wolf to be seen, and the boy just laughed at them. That wasn't very kind, was it? You must not tell lies, said the villagers angrily, and they went back down to the village. Soon the boy was bored again, so he shouted, Wolf, wolf, and the villagers rushed up to the hill to save the sheep. The boy laughed at them again. You must not tell lies, said the villagers angrily, and they went back down to the village. I think you can probably guess what might be happening next. Later that day, while the boy was watching his sheep, a wolf really did come into the field. Oh, I can imagine that would have been really scary. The boy cried out, Wolf, wolf! But no one came to help, and the wolf ate all of the sheep. No one will believe a liar, even when he was telling the truth. And the difficulty is, of course, is that the boy had told lies so often that when he did tell the truth, people didn't believe him. Maybe you've had a time when people have lied to you. Perhaps it's made you feel sad. Perhaps it's made you feel cross. Perhaps it's made you feel angry with them. I'm pretty sure that it's made you feel that you're going to be finding it a little bit more difficult to believe them next time. And that's why it's important to tell the truth. That's why the value of honesty is so important, because you want people to believe you. You want people to listen to what you say and think that's a person who always tells the truth. Because if people doubt you or don't believe you, that makes you feel really bad and really sad inside as well. So now we move on to the question, why on earth do people lie in the first place? Have a little think for a minute. I'm sure you can perhaps think of a time when you haven't told the truth, or maybe not told all of the truth. I wonder why you did that. Let's have a little think about why some of the reasons are that people don't tell the truth. Sometimes people lie to get themselves out of trouble. Oh, I didn't do it, honestly, because you know that if you own up to breaking the window or doing something like that, your mum or your dad or whoever looks after you is going to tell you off. Sometimes people lie to get themselves out of trouble. Sometimes people lie because they're embarrassed or ashamed that they were maybe trusted to do the cleaning, like this little girl here, and she's broken the vase. Maybe she was just walking past and knocked it by accident. It was a pure accident, but the fact is she was embarrassed, and perhaps it's easier to say, oh, it was there like that when I walked in. Sometimes people lie to get away with something they've done wrong. And sadly, that's what we see at school sometimes. People know the golden rules, people know how to behave in class, but sometimes when they don't follow those rules or they do something wrong, they lie to maybe put the teacher's attention on another person, or they lie because they know that actually they shouldn't have done it. And deep down inside, that thing called a conscience that I know you all have is telling you you've done the wrong thing. Now think about how it feels to tell the truth. Actually, when you tell the truth, it's great and it's fantastic, and that's how you should feel all of the time. Sometimes, if you have told a lie and then you tell the truth, you feel as if a burden has come off you. You feel a lot better about yourself. And that's what we see time and time again at school. People who sometimes have got themselves into a bit of a pickle, into a bit of a mess. Maybe they told a little white lie, but then they come and tell the truth, and you can see them think, oh, thank goodness, I don't have to lie again. So everyone has to make choices. If we've done something wrong, the very best thing we can do is to tell the truth. And that is why honesty, on one hand, is the hardest value to try and stick to, but on the other hand, should be the easiest one to do, because the choice is simple. If you consider something like resilience or happiness, it's sometimes very, very hard to be resilient. You have to kind of work yourself up to it. You have to really get into the zone of, right, I'm going to be determined to do this. Something like happiness, so many other factors can affect you. The weather, whether you've had an argument with your friend, how you're feeling. But honesty is simple. You either tell the truth or you don't. And we heard from the story that the poor boy who told the lies and didn't tell the truth actually suffered at the end because his poor sheep were eaten. Now, I'm sure that, well, who knows, but I don't think any of you will be looking after a flock of sheep this week. However, what I do know is that a lot of you will be faced with something where you've got to think, do I tell the truth or do I lie? So the challenge this week is to think, be honest, stick with the value, tell the truth, because it always turns out better in the long run if you do. Have a good week wherever you are. Follow all of our values. Be honest, be happy, stay safe, and stay well. And I'll see you soon.